Hey YouTube, what's going on? It's Richard, founder of Short-Term Rental University and Airbnb Superhost. Today's video is going to be answering a question that's asked in the Facebook group all the time, which is how to find a cleaning lady. So to that end, we've covered a lot of ideas in the courses and on the Facebook group and in prior YouTube videos, but I'm doing something a little bit different right now for my place in Jackson, and it's just an idea. It's an experiment. I'm going to try it out. I'm going to keep you updated as to how it goes, but maybe somebody here will find inspiration and try something similar. Here's my idea. There's a lot of lodging here in Jackson Hole, motels, hotels. It's probably very similar in your hometown. The professional cleaning teams that make those hotels ready, I think, have the standards and the understanding and the cleanliness that would uphold 5-star reviews for my condo. So what I'm trying to do is find sort of like a leader, if you will, who's going to be my primary contact. This person only has 1 or 2 days off a week, so I have turnover every single day of the week. It doesn't just work for Sundays, but what I'm speaking to these individuals about is, you know, other co-workers at the same motel or hotel, or even at other hotels, and since those operate 7 days a week, what tends to happen is they have split schedules. Somebody will have Sunday off, somebody else will have Monday off, somebody else will have Tuesday off, somebody else will have Wednesday off. I don't particularly care who comes to my condo as long as it's clean to the standards that I need. So if I have a primary contact and I contact them and say I need the place cleaned on Tuesday, they can then source whoever has Tuesday free and they can go clean the same day. So that's my concept. So far, I've had a couple of initial conversations. It sounds like it's going to work just fine, but since I'm just launching here in Jackson, I don't have any real data, but I'm about to gather it. So stay tuned and I'll give you an update. I hope you found this video helpful. Tell us what you do for your cleaning teams in new cities, in new urban, rural areas, vacation areas. What do you do? How do you find your cleaning people? Because we all have that constant demand to get really high quality cleaners. So I'm experimenting, I'm trying something new. What are your experiments? I hope you found this video helpful. Please go ahead and like it, and we out of here. Subscribe.